In this video, I'll show you how to find a USB flash drive on your Windows PC or laptop. First, connect your USB flash drive to a USB port on your computer. Wait a few seconds for Windows to detect the device. Next, open File Explorer from the taskbar. In the left-hand panel, click This PC. Under Devices and Drives, look for your USB flash drive. It may appear with its name or as USB drive, removable disk, or a drive letter such as D, E, or F. Double-click the USB flash drive to open it. Here, you can view all the files and folders stored on the drive. If you don't see the USB flash drive, unplug it, plug it into a different USB port, and wait a few seconds. Then refresh File Explorer and check This PC again. That's it. This is how you can find a USB flash drive on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.